Okay, good morning. So we're coming off of Monday being a holiday. The stock market was closed. Extremely light volume, real tight on the S&P. And then we had a pretty good sell-off here. So we had the Globex open. And then we had so yesterday pretty slow. Globex open, pretty good sell-off. This ended up holding as resistance right here. We traded back up to it again. It held again right here, and then it's holding again right here. Now, if you look down here, we have this like 0875 area, somewhere between 09 half and 08 half. So that kind of 1 point range. You kind of see that area. So if you look in there, you can see this area is pretty much held. We did wick below here, right here, but this was the close. So that 0875 area has been important. So what there is to pay attention to here, I'm going to pull this a little bit tighter here so you can just see we never really came back and tested this 85 quarter area. There are a couple of prices in between here that we'd want to pay attention to. So obviously this area which the market used here, and then watch out for this area, this 99, somewhere in that area, so 32.99 area, and then back down to here. Now all of that is, of course, we would need to break below this 0875 or 08 half area to get more of that, and that could at least get us back down here to this 85 quarter and potentially more depending on how much we could come back into this area. So this is a long ways down here. We've held up here, so we broke down below here, and then the market's holding here, and then we're holding right here. So a couple of things here. If we can, let's see if we can bring this back in. So over here, we can see that we never came back up and tested this area, so this 19 half area. So keep an eye on this 19 half area for sure. That's going to be an area to watch out for. And then even up to this 21 half. So you can kind of see right there. 2075 and then again 21 half. Those are only 3 ticks apart. Then back up here in this area, this 23. So these are just areas to keep an eye on. So if we traded up above here, and we could trade up here and come back to this, look for this area to hold, and then look for a push. But really, back up above here, if we can push through each of these levels, that should get us to new highs. But of course, we want it one at a time, and you got to keep your eye on these prices here. Now on the other side, if we're down here and we can push lower, of course we have some prices we got to push through lower, then we have those lower prices down there that we're looking for. So this 16 half and 13 half area, this will be kind of a pivotal area that if the market's trading up above it, we should see higher, and if it's trading down below it, we should see lower. So there's today, and we'll see you in the live trade signals.